tetrahedral void. Now, if you see, this type of packing was present in ABAB packing and also in ABCA packing. That means, this void that we are trying to say, tetrahedral void that we are trying to say, is present in both the type of packing ABAB, ABCA. ABAB, if you remember, was responsible for HCP and ABCA was responsible for CCP or FCC. That means, the void present in ABAB and the void present in ABCA are of the same type. They are tetrahedral void and octahedral void. Now, what is a tetrahedral void? If you check, if this is taken as sphere number 1, sphere number 2 and this is taken as sphere number 3, then are you able to see this dotted which I am trying to show is a sphere below. So, a void present between this 4 sphere is nothing but called as tetrahedral void. Now, if you see an octahedral void, this one, if I am shading it, then are you able to see as if there is a therefore which is seen here, therefore. Now, if you see below, right, there are 3 spheres which I am shading it in different manner below exactly. The void present between them is called as octahedral void. So, void trapped between 4 sphere, tetrahedral void, a sphere, right, void trapped between 6 sphere is called as octahedral void. Point to be noted, tetrahedral void is present in both HCP as well as CCP or FCC. Tetrahedral void we like to see. Are you able to see 3 spheres? Above them there is a 4th sphere kept. Then the void which is trapped between this 4 sphere is nothing but called as tetrahedral void or tetrahedral hole. If you are able to see this diagram, 3 spheres which have been shown by blue colored balls, and above that the red colored ball is getting placed, but that void which is there is called as tetrahedral void. Now, how to imagine a tetrahedral void? Imagine these are the spheres. Imagine they are brought closer. Then whatever you are able to see, this is a carbon of a methane, can be considered as tetrahedral void. So, how to imagine a tetrahedral void? Imagine methane, and in methane imagine hydrogen as spheres. Actually, hydrogen are small, but you imagine big spheres, and carbon as another sphere which is exactly fitted as tetrahedral void. Here carbon is a larger sphere, but you imagine carbon as a smaller sphere and hydrogen as a larger sphere. That means, this carbon is like our tetrahedral void and hydrogens which are to be imagined as a bigger spheres are nothing but the actual spheres making up the tetrahedral void. Because it has a figure like tetrahedral, the void got the name as tetrahedral void. So, that was about tetrahedral void. Now, what is the coordination number of tetrahedral void? Coordination number of tetrahedral void will be 4. Why coordination number of tetrahedral void will be 4? Because it is surrounded by 4 spheres. So, because it is surrounded by 4 spheres, its coordination number is 4. After tetrahedral void discussion, we like to understand what is the position of tetrahedral void. Now, for that we have taken FCC unit cell. If you take FCC unit cell, you have to imagine this sphere. Now, how a tetrahedral void is remembered? They are remembered like as if you are having a therefore like 3 spheres. Above that you are trying to sphere, right, put the 4th sphere. Or you can remember it as since like 3 spheres and above that you are trying to sphere, right, put the 4th sphere, then whatever the void is trapped is called as tetrahedral void. Now, imagine this is like a therefore, Are you understanding? Sphere number 1, sphere number 2, sphere number 3, and this sphere which will be placed on this 3 spheres, this sphere which will be placed on this 3 spheres, then the space, right, empty is called as which void? Tetrahedral void. It's called as tetrahedral void. Better imagination is from here to here. If you plot a line, then it is called as body diagonal. This is body diagonal. On that body diagonal, this is body center. I will write on BC. And this is your sphere. Between body center and the sphere, the void that you will get will be called as tetrahedral void. So, tetrahedral void is like this. Now, if you see sphere number 1 is face center, if you sphere number 3 is face center, if you see this sphere which is also as face center, fourth sphere. So, 3 face centers and 1 corner, the space trapped between them is called as tetrahedral void. So, that tetrahedral void has been shown here. This is sphere number 1 which was a face center, this is space, right, sphere number 3 which was face center, this is sphere number 4 which is also space center, and this is corner. You have to imagine sphere number 1, sphere number 2 and sphere number 3 are actually making a therefore, and sphere number 4 is placed over those 3 spheres. Then whatever, right, empty space that you will get will be called as tetrahedral void. If I want to say, if this is a body diagonal, this is the body center and this is one of the corner, then here is a tetrahedral void. So, tetrahedral void is a center of body center and corner. Similarly, if there is a tetrahedral void on this side, then there is a corner here also. So, between body center and corner, the space empty is called as which void? Tetrahedral void. That means body diagonal, one body diagonal will have 2 tetrahedral voids. So, it is a void surrounded by 4 spheres, therefore, coordination number is 4. So, again for you to know, tetrahedral void coordination number is 4. Summary of tetrahedral void, it is a void surrounded by 4 spheres, therefore, coordination number is 4. If you see, there is a colored red color ball which has been shown, that is nothing but a sphere which is exactly fitting into a tetrahedral void. These voids are located in FCC near every corner, and if you move from corner along body diagonal, we will find this body diagonal at the distance of the corner. So, if you want to know, remember this, this is a corner, this is a corner, this is the body center, then there is a tetrahedral void here and the tetrahedral void here. So, almost at 1/4 space the tetrahedral void is present, 1/4 space of body diagonal, that is A root 3. So, if you want to know what is this spacing, it is A root 3 by 4. That is a place where tetrahedral void is present. So, if you try calculating here, it is also A root 3 by 4. So, it is at 1/4 distance from the corner, and we know body diagonal is A root 3. So, it is surrounded by spheres, right, 1 corner and 3 faces. That is what is an identity of a tetrahedral void. Are you able to see this diagram? Tells you so many red colored spheres are tetrahedral void. So, if you take any body diagonal, then you will find the 2 tetrahedral voids. Now, any sphere has how many body diagonal? Not any sphere, any cube has how many body diagonals? It has 4 body diagonal, and every body diagonal has 2 tetrahedral voids. So, therefore, 4 body diagonals making up cube will have how many tetrahedral voids? 8 tetrahedral voids. So, any FCC unit cell will be made up of 8 tetrahedral voids. Are you able to see the diagram here? If you check, this is nothing but a body diagonal and this red color dots are nothing but tetrahedral voids. If you see, right, if you go on plotting all this, you should get tetrahedral voids. They are not coming exactly, but they are tetrahedral voids. Every body diagonal has 2 tetrahedral voids. If you remember, this is the corner, this is the face center, this is also face center, this is also face center, and this orange color dot is nothing but tetrahedral void. By using trigonometry, we have found out a radius ratio of tetrahedral void is 0.225, 0.225, and there are how many tetrahedral voids? 8, and all of them are present inside the unit cell and they are not shared by any other unit cell. Therefore, number of tetrahedral voids in FCC or CCP unit cell are 8. if you try to understand calculation of number of tetrahedral voids, FCC or CCP is made up of 4 spheres or 4 metallic atoms. Number of tetrahedral voids are 8. That means number of tetrahedral voids are double of number of spheres. So, number of tetrahedral voids are 2 times of number of spheres. If you see HCP, rank is 6, number of tetrahedral voids will be 12. You remember tetrahedral void is present in both FCC and HCP because they have similar type of packing. So, there are 2 tetrahedral voids per sphere. So, we will stop here only. In the next session, we will continue with